Very good morning, one and all. How are you all? Okay, thank you. It's a great pleasure for me to stand before you. So in this great occasion, the one-day seminar, it is organized by the Excel group of institution, especially Excel College of Pharmacy. I thank this management for giving me this opportunity to stand before you. And I thank Dr. Manivanan, Principal, Excel College of Pharmacy. And I thank Dr. Ayappan Sir, Principal, College of Physiotherapy. And once again I thank our chief guest in this occasion, Dr. Sriram Sir. He is my teacher in Ramakrishna College of Pharmacy, Coimbatore. And I thank Mr. A. Vijay Kumar. He is also a friend of me. He is working in a KMCH group of companies. And I thank and I welcome you all for this wonderful occasion in this one-day seminar. So, emerging trends in pharmaceutical sciences. I hope everyone going to benefit in this session. So, I myself and my dear students and various college students and all the faculties and different college faculties going to emerge in this session. Thank you all.